Hello guys, welcome back to this video. Our channel is not about master Minecraft. It's about a Google Glass. So if you want to be a YouTuber, if you're already a YouTuber, if your name is in your, if you want to choose your name, like if you play Minecraft, your name or Minecraft name is different, and if you want to change in the YouTube, if you want to be a YouTuber fan, you can download the Play Store. Plus, if you buy a Samsung, if you buy Samsung Android or anything Android, you can download Play Store here if you had none. So click here. So this my mom said I will connect. I'm gonna click it here. Okay, that. So you see, this is my before name, but I changed it so well. So I'm gonna click file, not this guys, this picture. I'm ready picture it. See, check me out. That's my videos and many things go. So as you see this one, click edit profile. If you want to change your profile, just click the circle with the camera. I'm gonna connect here this thing. So if you want to change it, take your photos, your albums. Let's go back. If you want to choose your name, click this circle, tiny turtle. I'm gonna connect it. This one, guys. This one. I'm gonna click it. Oh, jeez. Chrome. Just once. So it tells you about me, Google, about me. Control what people say about you. It's kinda loady. Yes. So first is gender, birthday, and more. So you already choose your profile. What about your name? So to choose your name, I'm gonna connect it. This one, pencil. So I choose this. Your first name. So I choose for you. The last name I said, let's go about Bower 561. So if you don't need the nickname, tagline, just do it. So click on this one, click OK. And there you go. It brings back you here. So see. So that will send to the YouTube. That will send in the YouTube. See, click your account, and yeah. this Google Plus will send in your YouTube. So that's it, guys, for my yes how to use Google Plus and how to be a YouTuber and send to the. So that's it, guys. So bye well. So please click the button and push the subscribe button. If you got answer, just comment below and just click the link to how to use Google Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to, guys. So see you next in the my next channel in the next Sunday. Bye, guys.